I'm gonna say this one is not worth saving. Just gonna go out on a limb here, say that. Looks like she burned. Ooh, the LT type. Oh, I didn't see that. I thought it survived. Ooh, inky. I think it's just the caps though. What was she? What was she? At least you know what she was. You see that? Yeah. Oh yeah, she was gone. Fire took her out. Oh, Keystone. Alright, man. What do we got here? What do we got? Hiding all the way back here in the back of the yard. I'll run through it kind of quick though. Kind of rough on this one. But got a 79 Camaro. Yeah, second gen F body. I wonder though, I see Z28 inside there. I wonder, was this a Z28 or was it a cloned? I don't know. Let's see. Maybe you guys know. Somebody out there might be able to tell. She's been sitting for a long time. Long time. Oh. That roof's got some issues. Got a scoop going on here. Side vents here on the fenders. Did that say Z28 there? Did that say that? See where it said Camaro. Says she's rough, man. She's rough. Not much left, I don't think. I mean, some guys will probably think it's might be salvageable. I don't know. This big dent there. That hood actually doesn't look too bad. That fender's messed up though. Door's got issues here. This fork left. You can see that. And the piece here on the spoiler there. This thing went. It goes somehow like this. Forget how these how this go, like that. Yeah, like that. There we go. And I can see it was silver. Unless it was a repaint again. Look at that old bodywork there. In the trunk. Yeah. Been sitting. Look at those tools, man. Look at those tools. Yeah. Take a look underneath if I can see anything. Yeah, oh, they were chrome, weren't they? Yeah, look, I think there might have been chrome. The slapper bars down there. Yeah. It's got a 10 bolt. An 8.5. You can see, it looks like it. Yeah. These are chrome. I see Lakewood. See right there? Yeah, old school, baby. Back glass looks good. Inside, man, she's rough on the inside. See the Z28 right there. Doors don't even open. They won't open. It says Berlinetta there. I know this seat doesn't belong to it. Guessing that made that one right there. Yeah, she's in rough shape. Let's see if I can get in here. Okay. What do we got here? Camaro emblem. Right there. Other emblem. Oh, there we go. Look. But was she a clone, or you know, they put that front end and these parts on there? I don't know. Z28. Oh, there's the other one in there too. Yep. That it? That it? Yeah. That's all I can. That's all I can see. Roadmaster. Anything in the whole dash is gonna come out. Anything in there? You probably can't see it now. Not much of anything. There's the gauges. Is that mileage? She rolled over. Oh, what fell? Oh, wait. Still got some gas in her, man. Okay. Drop my little handy dandy screwdriver, mini screwdriver set that I found a little while back. Oh, man. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh. Whoa, boy, that. We're in August in North Texas, man, and that sweat is in my eyes. Oh, did I? Right there, the Z28 right there. How did I get that emblem? Or I guess you'd call that an emblem, right? Door emblem, door panel emblem. In the back, nothing else really. Anything back there? Nope. Okay. All right. Here's the VIN on it. You can see that. Get a good look at that. See better this way. Oh, there. You got a better shot of it like that. Yeah. All right. And under the hood. What we got under the hood? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. She was an AC car. Check out all the... Yeah. I don't know, man. What do you guys think? I don't know if it should have been a real Z28 or not. This might have been changed. We got the trim. See if I can clean that up a little bit. See if I can get a look at that. Oh, sorry. Hold on a second, man. It's hard to hold this phone. Try to get in there and. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. I don't know how well you can see that. Now my glasses fell off because the sweat's just there. I think you got a good look at that, right? All right. Oh man. Whew. Well, there it is. A possible, or maybe not, 79 Z28. I'm gonna say not worth saving. I mean, you know, it just looks freaking rough. Yeah, she looks pretty hurt, pretty beat up. But then again, I don't know second-gen Camaros and their prices in terms of, you know, the Z28s. I have to look that up. All right, man. It's gonna do it on this one. Like I said, you know, well, what can we say? Not much now. All right, man. On the next one.